dummy. And then you're going to slow down, really? Oh, yeah, nice driving, idiot. Wow.
You serious? Oh, we passed there, mate. Aye. Mate, you shouldn't be parked there. It's a cycle path and a footpath. And you've driven on the pavement.
Start having tax and insurance and plates on your bike, I'll give you full respect.
Mate, well, it don't matter. You don't pay for tax on the payment. And actually, I do have a car. I have more than one car, and I do pay more than one insurance and one tax. So you've driven on the pavement, you parked on the pavement, and you're blocking the footpath.
I'm looking at a lovely monument.
Yeah, well, I agree with that, mate. You know what I mean? That's not a bother. But what I'm saying is, you are parked on a...
Nice, and it's a Christian sign, which is beautiful.
Yeah. Well, you're not very Christian, are you? You don't care about my safety or anybody else's safety by parking on that. Huh?
I'm more Christian than you.
Well, how's that then? You haven't got to care for any other human being. This is a footpath and a cycle path.
Nationality has
That's
been
all right.
here a lot longer than yours.
Mate,
So there,
is that right? My father was born in New Tredegar, my mother was born in Blaina, so I've got as much Welsh blood flowing through my veins as I have yours. So you're talking, didn't you?
Don't swear at me, please.
Well, that's all right. You can take your 3 points and your 60 quid fine, because I'll report you.
Good for you,
Yeah,
man.
and you can't deny it because there's your face clear as day on camera.
My name is Kerfuffle.
Oh, Di, good Welsh name as well. Yeah.
I don't know what you can do.
What are you doing? Why? Dude, go, you're just stuck. Move your foot, move your car. Move your car. You're sitting in the middle of the road. You're sitting in the middle of the road. You are an idiot. Dude, move your car. What are you talking? Move your car. You're sitting here. Move your car. Pull over. Let's fucking... Dude, get the out of the road. Get the out of the road. You are an asshole. I know, right? Yeah. Good for you. You proved your point. Now get out of the road. I have a dash camera. You want to see yourself how stupid you look today on YouTube? Good. Perfect. Get the out of the road. Look at. Thanks for videotaping. let the insurance figure this out. I want you to pull over here, please, and let's exchange insurance. I don't care. Pull over, please. Pull over. Can you call the police? Call the police. Hey, wait, where you go? Pull over, hey! Hey, let's click on that. Yeah, hi, I'd like to report a hit and run. No, but this guy just he slammed on his brakes, I hit him, and now he's running from the scene.
Okay. Let me connect to you.
Thank you. I gotta chill here.
From Wilmington, Delaware. The dumbest man to ever serve in the Senate, the dumbest man to ever be vice president, is now the dumbest man to ever be president. He's got a massive ego. He's a narcissist. He wants to go down in history as the greatest president. He's going to go down in history as the greatest disaster. He's doing more to weaken this country than the communist Chinese could ever pray to do. He could ever pray to do. And moreover, he's justified a federal statute, a Supreme